Hello lovelies, hola amores, welcome back to my channel. Bem-vindo no meu canal. So this video is all about these beautiful sewing waves, DIY, do it yourself. Vídeo de hoje é sobre esse lindo entrelace que eu fiz sozinha. A primeira coisa que eu fiz é para trançar meu cabelo. Vou trançar assim. So the first thing I did was to do the base of the sewing waves. I will braid it like this to the back. Eu vou trançar assim para trás. I'll be braiding it like this to the back. As I'm braiding it, I'm connecting the braids to each other. So I'll be braiding all to the back. I'll braid it like that to the back. I'm through with the base of the hair. Acabei de fazer trança base. Agora eu vou costurar a closure do esse cabelo. So after the base, I then did the closure. So right here I'm through with the closure. I'll be fixing the back now. As we all know, we don't have eyes at the back of our head, so I always use my mind in doing the back because there's no way I can see the back, so I use my mind in doing the back. Como você sabe, nós não temos olhos na parte de trás da nossa cabeça, então eu uso minha mente para fazer atrás. So I'll be sewing it from the back to the front and from the front to the back. That is how I'll be sewing it. Eu vou costurar de trás para frente, para trás. Assim que eu vou costurar. I don't need to cut the waves. I will just flip it over and continue sewing. Eu não cortei, eu só joguei para trás e continuo o processo. I will sew it all through like this to the back, and when I get to the end, I will flip it again and continue to sew it again to the front. I sew it in a way that it will lap very well, just as you can see. Eu costurei jeito que vai deitar bem, como você tá vendo. Guys, please give this video a like, comment your thoughts about this video, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Gente, você já curtiu esse vídeo? Por favor, curta esse vídeo e inscreva no meu canal. E me seguir no Facebook e Instagram. So I'll be flipping it to the back and continue sewing. Eu vou jogar para trás e continuar o processo. So here I flip it to the back and continue the process. Aqui eu joguei para trás e continuo o processo. The hair is falling into place here. So this is how I'll be sewing it. I'll sew it like this until I get to where the closure is. Eu vou costurar assim até chegar onde está o closure. The closure I use in doing this with is different from the normal closure. This one is called prox. The normal closure does not last. I don't know. I've bought two and I bought it too expensive. I have the 4x4 and the frontal. The 4x4 I decided to use it to do wig. I use it to do wig cap. but the frontal is still there. That normal closure, when you fix it, you wash it, it will just, as you are brushing it, the air will be coming out. It does not last at all. So I decided to use these products. These products last very well. Even if you wash it, it will still remain the way it is. So I will not recommend the other closure for anyone. If you want to use it for wig, you can go for it, but if you want to use it for sewing wigs, it's better you go for these products. A closure que eu uso para fazer esse Entrelace é Prox. A outro closure não dura nada, mas esse dura bastante. Eu preferi esse, mas se você quer para peruca, é bom para você usar a outro. Mas se você vai fazer Entrelace assim, Prox é melhor. Yeah, I'm almost through with the hair. That is the last weaves I'll be putting there to close it. I'll be connecting these weaves to the closure. E já está quase terminando com esse Entrelace. So I'm almost through with the hair. I'll be brushing it very well, after which I'll be applying it to the hair to straighten it very well. I'll be cutting the front a little because I want it to have a bang at the front, a fringe at the front. So I'll be cutting it a little and I'll be applying it to straighten it very well. Esse Entrelace com franja. Certo? Passa a plancha primeiro antes eu vou cortar. Eu passo a plancha para ficar bem lisinho. E depois eu vou cortar a franja. So I want it to be very straight, so I'm applying it so that it will be very straight. Then later I will now cut the front. It's very cold. I'm wearing 3 sweaters as it is. The weather is very cold, but the hotness of the planche is making me not to feel it so much. Tá muito frio. Estou colocar 3 casacos, caso frio, mas a plancha tá bem quente e eu não tô sentindo muito. Like I said earlier, I prefer these products to the normal closure. This one you use and get tired of it, nothing will happen to this one. Eu prefiro esse products. Eu já usei para meu cliente and it got stay. I've used these products for my client and I like the outcome. Guys, have you liked this video? Please give this video a like and comment your thoughts about this hair. Gente, você já curtiu esse vídeo? Por favor, curta esse vídeo. E comenta, inscreva no meu canal. So I'll be cutting the front. Eu vou cortar para fazer franja. Que lindo! Depois eu vou passar a prancha de novo. So I'm applying it again to have that bang. So I'll be applying oil, little oil to it. Eu vou colocar pouco de óleo. Guys, how do you shake this hair? Gente, o que você acha sobre esse Entrelace? É lindo, né? I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm just doing the finishing touch of the hair. E só para fazer acabamento aqui, passa a plancha para ficar bem lisinho. Só isso. Olha atrás, que lindo. Guys, check the back, so beautiful. I'm loving this hair. So guys, I'll be giving it a wrap here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Comment your thoughts about this hair. See you in my next video. Beijo, beijo, tchau. Gente, eu vou terminar esse vídeo aqui. Muito obrigado por assistir. Que Deus abençoe a cada um de vocês. Curta esse vídeo, inscreva no meu canal, me siga no Facebook e Instagram. Muito obrigado por assistir. Que Deus abençoe a cada um de vocês. Muito obrigada. Beijo, beijo. Até o próximo vídeo. Tchau.